I'm asked why Cubic Farms, what separates us from anyone else in the vertical farming or controlled environment agriculture space, there's really three things that have set us up for success. The foundation of our business, the innovation of our machine and technology, and the culture of our business. We were founded by Jack and Leo Benny. They are career greenhouse growers. They came from Holland about 30 years ago and started a company called Bevo Farms, and it's now become one of the largest propagation greenhouse operations in North America. There are very few people that know more about taking a plant from seed to store than Jack and Leo Benny. And when they were presented with the challenge of how to grow leafy greens in an ever more challenged world, this is the machine that they came up with. Farmers have been using machines in farming forever, and vertical farming is no different. You need a machine to make it efficient and profitable. All other vertical farm type environments have one row of light and one row of plant, one row of light and one row of plant, and so on. But within a cubic farm, we've got one row of light but 8 rows of plants. And that's a crucial aspect to why the cubic farm works so much better than any other system. First of all, your capital cost is much lower. But then of course your operating costs are much lower. LED lights do put off an awful lot of heat. We've only got one row of light, so we've got a lot less heat that we have to get rid of. And then of course your maintenance costs are much lower. The machine itself, because it takes the horizontal trays up to the light and away from the light, allows the light to be evenly distributed. Horizontally grown plants are growing the way God meant them to grow, and they just look spectacular. They grow very evenly. The machine also allows the water to be evenly distributed, and then once a cycle, any excess water will also be drained off and recirculated. So we really can use the absolute least amount of water possible with the maximum amount of yield. One of the great aspects of a cubic farm is the entire area is dedicated to growing. No space is lost for hallways or access space. The machine will bring the trays to the person planting and will bring the plants to the person harvesting. So with very few man hours, you can plant and harvest over 6,000 heads of lettuce a month or 12,000 heads of basil a month. It really is the most efficient way to plant and harvest your crop. Our machines have been designed to go into environmentally controlled buildings or even an older building that needs to be repurposed. We can easily put them into insulated pods, or they can even go into shipping containers. So they can literally go anywhere and grow successfully 12 months a year. So who might a cubic farm make sense to? We refer to our customers as partner farmers. And the ideal partner farmer is a group that wants to grow hundreds of thousands or millions of heads of produce every month and do it consistently and do it profitably. Their success is going to be our success. So to that end, our model contemplates exclusivity in a region for our partner farmers. One of our partner companies is Agentis Capital, and they build outstanding financial models. And we've worked closely with them to build ours. So if a partner farmer will give us their rent or land costs, labor costs, electricity, the type of crops they want to grow, we're able to then provide them with a financial model that'll outline the margins that they should expect. We're not here for the short term. We've assembled a group of professionals who are experts in growing, controlled environment agriculture, finance, manufacturing, engineering, and business management. We're a financially stable and sound business that is focused solely on the success of our partner farmers. If you want to grow commercial quantities of produce 12 months a year, anywhere on earth, and do it profitably, then we'd like to talk to you. You can't grow more produce in a smaller amount of space, using less electricity or fresh water, and as labor friendly as you can in a cubic farm.